Morning everyone. Today I'm going to show you to make some decoration. You need for this, you need one plastic bowl, some plastic spoons, you need some paint. I've choose this color, orange, white and black, a paintbrush, toothpick, a glue gun. If you don't have a glue gun, you can use this, Fevikwik, and a pair of scissors. First of all, you take the bowl and you will cut the top, this portion, you'll cut it out. So how you do it, you take the scissors and you cut this. Be careful, don't cut your finger. Just cut it in this way. Yeah, you cut this out. Put this one side. Now what you do, you take few of the spoons and you cut the bottom off like this. Alright? This way. Put on your glue stick, your glue gun. Keep cutting like this and don't throw away these sticks. These will come handy. Keep it one side. Keep cutting. Now out of these you will cut one a little smaller than the other one. Like this is the size of it. You will cut two of this size. You put it on this like this, on this way, and you will take the pair of scissors and you cut it of the same size. So you have two of the same size. Keep this one side, right? Now all these ones that you have cut, you will take the bowl and you start sticking them in this way. Not this way, but this way, facing up. Now wait for the glue gun if it's wrong. Yeah. You take it, put little glue on the edges like this. And you start sticking them this way. Then you take another one. It look like this. Keep sticking all around. I'll just do few because I don't have so much time on me. This way. Once you complete the top circle, then you'll start the second circle, like the second row. Now the second row will come between these two on top. So you'll do it this way. Make sure this doesn't come below this joint. This should be above the joint. And if you stick it this way. Now you take another one. This way. Now you keep sticking it all around this way. After you stick it like this, it will look something like this. It will look something like this. Only one portion you leave a gap here. I'll tell you the reason why to leave the gap in here. Alright, so it will look this way. Once this is completed, you put this aside, you put it aside. Now you take the cut spoon, the bottom spoon of it, this is, and you'll cut it in this shape. Alright, once you cut it in this shape, you will cut another spoon, big spoon. Now when you're cutting these two, make sure you leave the bottom. Don't cut it right to the edge of it. Leave this little bottom, and this edges, you will cut this edges like this. Cut it off. But you let this pointy portion be. You will cut it this way. Right? You cut two like this. Now the portion that you have cut this way, you will put glue on the back of the spoon, this side. You won't put this side, but you will put it this side. Once you put it here, you will stick it this way. Put it like this. Take another piece, join it with this. Now those two pieces that we cut earlier, these small ones, you will do the same. Right? We do it this way. Now one spoon, you'll take one spoon and you'll cut this like this, that you'll get a portion like this. Right? So two you have to cut in the same way. Now you have two of the same size. You will join them up this way, like this. So you'll put little glue here, and you take the other one and you join both together. Once you join them this way, you will take it and join it to this portion. Right? Then it will look like a butterfly. Let it dry. Once it's dry, okay, I put it here. Now once this is dry, you will take the colors and you will paint. After you paint, it will look something like this. It will look something. I told you about the toothpick. The toothpick I use for the white portion. To give these dots, I use a toothpick. Right? Now what you do, the bowl that you did, and remember I told you to leave a capping here. The capping is for the butterfly to come here. It's easy to fit it over there. So what you do, you put glue on it like this and you stick it. Make sure this is not below this, otherwise it won't stand. Hold it here for some time until the glue gets stuck nicely. Alright, this way. Now once you do it this way, let me move all this out. You'll have a better view. We don't require the glue gun anymore. So put that back. And put some more glue just to make it more stronger. Now I had with me some old rice lights. Okay, these lights. So what I do, just make a ball and put it inside this, and okay, and then you So now you have a table decoration. Okay, it's easy. I'll repeat again. You require just few plastic spoons and a plastic bowl like this. You stick them up this way. Then you cut it and make butterflies like this. I've used this color. You can use any color you want. Alright. Toothpick is to the white dots over here. Colors, I've used fabric colors. And make sure you use a thin brush, not a very thick brush. Number 1 or number 0 will be perfect, right? So I hope you enjoyed it. Very simple. Try it at home.